Now we'll discuss Ferryman-Galway scoring system for hirsutism. There are two scoring system, Ferryman-Galway and modified Ferryman-Galway score. In Ferryman-Galway score, we'll calculate the increased hair growth in upper lip area, chin, chest, upper back, upper abdomen, lower abdomen, upper thigh, upper arms, thighs, forearm and legs. But in modified scoring system, they have deleted forearm and legs, but they have added sideburn area, lower jaw, neck, and perineal area. We'll calculate hair growth in each area and we'll give the score from 0 to 4 individually of each area. Score of 8 or greater than 8 is indicative of hirsutism. Now, talking about the upper lip area. ईच एरिया हम इसको डिवाइड करेंगे इंडिविजुअली हम ईच एरिया का हम लेंगे हेयर ग्रोथ लाइक talking about the upper lip area, when we will categorize number 0, it is no hair growth. Now 1 number, small number of terminal hair over upper lip and outer lip border, like this, upper lip and outer lip border. Grade 2, upper lip and lower outer border. Grade 2, mustache thin, less than 50% of the upper lip area. Stage 3, greater than 50% of the upper lip area. And grade 4, mustache covering most of upper lip and crossing the midline. Now, we'll talk about chin. 0, no hair growth. 1, sparse. 2, sparse hair with small thickened areas. Stage 3, entire chin covered with light growth of hair. And stage 4, entire chin covered with heavy growth of hair. Now the chest. First of all, talk about the upper back area. No hair. Then stage 1, sparse hair. Stage 2, increased number of terminal hair. Stage 3, entire surface